Just stay still. I want her to play with Diamond. They were playing so cute earlier.
Oh, here.
Yeah, just sit down. Just stay. That is so cute.
They're gonna be best of buddies.
Hmm?
They're gonna be best of buddies.
How you know?
They're little sisters. Diamond's tired.
She's gonna give you a little run for your money, Diamond. Well, that'll make her tired, huh? Get a little bit of exercise like this. She's like a little rabbit. Huh.
Look at her, she's jumps.
Yeah.
That'll tire her up too good.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then she'll take a nap. But she hasn't eaten yet.
She's too busy playing.
Okay. What are you doing? Are you looking for a place to pee-pee? Hmm? Oh, no.
No, they could be poisonous.
No, give me that thing.
No.
No.
Diamond knows that search, but
Oh boy. That's gonna take her attention off of playing with Diamond.
no. I figured they'll play double. Go get
No.
it. Go get it, baby.
It's better that she starts prancing to tire herself out. You know? Play with Diamond. There you go. Prance around. Get that out. That energy out.
You can go around.
Come on, Mia.
Jump.
Come over here, Mia.
Go around.
Mia. The other way.
Not through the bedroom, dork. What's your problem?
Who?
Diamond. Hey. Shoelaces are not allowed.
Come on, Mia. Oh my God. Here comes the cavalry. She wants to play with the rest of them.
You're not a little dog, Diamond. You're a big girl.
Yeah, go play with them. Come on. Play with them. Oh, she's tired, huh?
She's tired. She's little.
Yeah.